Whether you're walking near the Modesto Farmers Market, the intersection of South Carpenter and Robertson Road, or anywhere else in the city, pedestrians generally have the right of way. Because pedestrians are far more vulnerable than drivers, California law places a higher duty of care on motorists. Drivers are expected to slow down around pedestrians, remain at the scene if there's a collision, and assist anyone who may be injured. When a driver is found negligent in a pedestrian accident, they may be held financially responsible for the victim's medical treatment, rehabilitation, emotional distress, and more. However, securing that accountability often requires the support of an experienced personal injury attorney, like the team at Maison Law. At Maison Law in Modesto, we help injured pedestrians hold the appropriate parties accountable. There are no legal fees unless we win. If you or someone you love was injured in a pedestrian accident in Modesto, contact Maison Law for a free consultation.